Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olivia, and today we're going to do a simple Valentine's Day look, and we'll be using the Juvias Magic Palette and the Morphe 35B palette. So with further ado, let's get started. So guys, going in with that NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to prime our lids. I'm just now blending it out, and this helps the colors to pop a little bit more. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier powder and set it so it doesn't crease or it doesn't move all over the place. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 35B palette with that peachy color, and I'm gonna put that in my transitioning area. Going back in my same palette, I'm taking that reddish pinkish color and I'm putting it into my crease just to brighten up that look a little bit more. So guys, when using colors on your eyes, be sure to blend. Blending is key, okay guys? So I'm gonna go in with my Ambrosia Cosmetics Eye FX cream, and I'm just gonna make a halo in the center of my eyes. Then I'm gonna take that fuchsia pink and put it on the both ends of this halo. I'm gonna go in with my Juvias palette. I'm gonna take that pink color right there and put it in the center of my halo. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX Vivid Brights pink liner, and I'm gonna make a cut crease above my halo. Okay, so now that both eyes are finished, I'm gonna take my NYX black liquid liner and I'm just gonna make a thin line and a little wing. And then I'm gonna go over that end with my pink liquid liner. I'm gonna take my NYX liquid illuminator. I don't remember what shade this is in, but I think this is the darker shade, and I'm gonna put that all over my face, and this I'm using for my primer. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in fawn, and I'm just placing that wherever I do my highlights. I'm going in with that Fenty Beauty, guys, that espresso contour stick, and I'm placing that wherever I'll put my contour. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend out that highlight area, and then I'm gonna use my foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, mixed with some of my Fenty, and put that all over my face. So now guys, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna use that rear end, and I'm gonna go all over my face with this just to further blend everything together and take away any streaks or any lines that are not supposed to be on my face. Okay, flawless look. So next I'm gonna go with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm gonna set all of my highlighted areas, so underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, and my chin. I'm gonna take my Milani foundation powder and I'm just gonna go over all the area that I didn't highlight just to set everything in place. I'm gonna take my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm going with the darker shade to contour my cheekbones. I'm going back in with that reddish pink color that I placed in my crease, and I'm putting it just below my waterline, and I'm taking it out a little bit to my outer eyes just to make it look a little bit more rosy. Now I'm taking that fuchsia pink and I'm putting it directly on my waterline. Then I'm gonna go with that light pink with some shimmer, and I'm gonna put it right in my tear duct area just to brighten this look up a little bit. We're gonna cut our lashes with some mascaras to set up for the falsies. I tried putting them on camera, but my lashes are too curly. It was so hard, you guys. I'm gonna take my Artist Couture Gold Digger and I'm gonna use this for highlight. Yes, look at that. We're shining forever. So you guys, it's time for our lips, and I was thinking to go with a pinky color on my lips, but guys, when I did it, you guys will see it was too much pink, so I had to go ahead and put some of that Fenty Beauty up to no good on top of that pink. So you guys, I went ahead and I brushed my hair out just so that this look could come together, but the lips weren't there. I wasn't having the lips. They weren't popping for me. So I had to remove them, and I placed my Fenty Up to No Good matte lipstick in the center of my lips. Then I went over it with some of the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and you guys, I love this. This was it. So you guys, this is it. This is the look. Here is to Valentine's Day. Roses are forever. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Until next time, bye.